Now at noon, though, wild winds creating the most dangerous fire conditions we have seen so far this year. Powerful gusts and bone-dry conditions have communities across Northern California on edge right now. In Southern California, tens of thousands have been forced out of their homes as a fire there rages out of control. Good afternoon. I'm John Dabkovich. The critical fire weather is our top story at this hour. First, though, more on that fast-growing wildfire in Orange County. 60,000 people have been ordered to evacuate in the area of Irvine after the fire there jumped Highway 241, racing towards neighborhoods. 2,000 acres have burned so far, but there is no containment at this point, and with wind gusts there hitting 40 miles per hour, it can grow quickly. Firefighting aircraft also have been grounded because of those strong winds as well. Crews are racing to contain a wildfire that's burning in Placer County as well. The Point Fire is burning in the El Dorado National Forest off Nevada Point Road, about 16 miles east of Forest Hill. They say the fire has burned about 10 acres. Officials say no structures are threatened right now, but more resources are on the way, especially with that critical fire weather we're seeing right now. And to that end, the governor's office of emergency services has been activated. They're monitoring the fire weather conditions they say are most dangerous that we have seen since 2017. Cal OES has put together a strike team of fire engines, hand crews, water trucks, and helicopters, all ready to respond quickly if fires break out.
So it's really one of those things we want to lean forward on. We're pre-positioning fire trucks and assets in the field so that if there is any starts, we can get on them quickly and put those fires out. Because with the winds the way they are, if fires get started, they're going to burn quickly and rapidly, and it's going to be a dangerous situation.
Cal OES says they're going to keep monitoring the conditions and send out more crews as they're needed.